What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the seat hoop. I think I have it all measured out correctly, so we're going to chop it up, and we're actually going to do something a little bit different. I know there's other GS550 videos out there about this where they kind of just chop this a little too early, where I feel like we can keep this part of the frame, and we'll just kind of grind away. We'll grind away at the weld here, and just cut the tube part of the frame, and then we'll just replace that with the seat hoop. I think it'll turn out pretty well, so let's get into it. Alright, we're getting closer. I had to separate the bottom of this frame tube because, obviously this kind of triangle shape that I'm trying to keep at the bottom here is a separate piece than the frame. I separated that. Next step is to just kind of cut it at the bottom here, and the seat hoop should fit right in. Alright, by some act of God, I actually got all the measurements right. So we're going to have to do a little bit more trimming here, and, just weld it up. A little bit of persuading on this side. I don't know if you can see this. The pipe isn't completely straight, but yeah, we'll just kind of bend that. And the big test is this removable cowl. Bolt holes that line up. Where are they at? Okay. I think we're good. Alright, yeah, I think we're good. This thing's cool. I got it from a dude on Instagram. He makes a bunch of custom seats and everything. They come with these removable cowls. So you can run that brat or a cafe look. And yeah, I'll leave his Instagram handle in the description. Alright, so I'm running into a few problems with trying to get all of this to line up. So I'm probably just gonna follow, instead of following this curve, I'm just gonna take this line. So I'm just gonna take this line and go straight off of that. It should end a little bit past the rivet there. So I'll just tape it up, and then we'll just cut it from there, and we'll have to end up welding a cap onto the end of this open part of the frame. So I got the basic shape as you can see, and I just have to come in and kind of grind that down a little bit to smoothen it out.